Alright, let's see if I can get this to work here. This is going to be an exhaust video. Hopefully, it'll work. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, that one to work here. Let's see what's going on. I think either I have bad connections or my starter's starting to go down. Here we go. Okay. Let's try this again. I'll just do an in-dash start up here. There we go. Now it's working. There we go. Come on. Alrighty. Much better. I'm going to set you guys down here for a second. I'm going to have to figure out some better connections here. Yep. Well, at least it started. It's some detail work. That came out pretty good. Well, just gotta make sure we got water. You know, we always gotta have water. Yep, got water. A little bit low. That's fine. I ain't going that far. Alrighty, guys. Well, the cold start was a little harder this time. I don't know what's been going on. I've been having battery connections or problems or something, but that looks like we fixed that for now. Alrighty, guys. See ya.